Okay, looking at question 7. A computer has a mass of 2¼ kilograms. About how many ounces does the notebook weigh? They give me 1 pound is approximately ½ kilogram. But what do they want? They want ounces. So what do I need to do with ounces and pounds? Convert them. Figure out how many of one are in the other. So if I have 1 pound, who can guess how many ounces that is?
8.
Double that. 16. Okay? So now I'm going to rewrite my conversion factor. To say that 16 ounces is the same as what?
1 pound.
Nope. I've already done that right here.
0.5 kilograms.
½ kilogram. Gentlemen, whoever's talking, okay, talk to yourself so only yourself can hear you and not myself. Now I have a new conversion factor. Cross this one out. I don't need it anymore. Now they're giving me 2.25 kilograms, and I want to know how many ounces that is. So now I can make my proportion. What are the two things that I need? Ounces and kilograms. They give me my conversion. Well, they didn't give me. I had to find a new conversion factor. So it's 16 ounces, ½ kilogram, and then they want me to find how many ounces are in 2¼ kilograms. So I put 2¼ here, and I don't know how many ounces that is, so I put an X there. Now I will cross multiply and divide. X equals 16 times 2¼ divided by ½. Not 5, but 0.5. If I want to get rid of this decimal, then I can move this one place over, and then I'll need to do that to one of these numbers up here. So then this will become 16 times 22.5 divided by 5. I need a whole number down here anyway. And this answer will be in what units? Kilograms or ounces?
Ounces.
Ounces, because that's what's missing. So you need to do T-bow and figure out how many ounces that is. All right, looking at number 8. Which is greater, a bottle containing 64 fluid ounces of water or a bottle containing 2 liters of water? They give me a conversion factor of 1 liter is approximately 4.2 cups. But how many ounces are in a cup? 64 ounces equal blank cups. What do I know about cups and ounces? Look at the conversion factors they've given you.
1 cup equals 8 ounces.
1 cup equals 8 ounces. So how do I get from 8 to 64? Times times 8. So whatever I do to the left, I have to do to the right. So multiply by
8.
Good. Then how many cups would that be? 8 cups. Now I have a new conversion factor. Instead of, hold on. Oh, I've got cups and cups and then liters. Okay. So instead, I do have a new conversion factor. Instead of 64 ounces, I have 8 cups. What are the 2 units that are important?
Ounces and cups.
Be careful.
Oh, liters and cups.
Liters and cups. Liters on the left, cups on the right. Okay, what are they asking me about? 64 fluid ounces is how many cups?
8.
8 cups. Do I know how many liters that is? 4.2 is for 1 liter. Do I know how many liters this is for 8 cups? No, so what do I put here? What is the conversion factor that they've given me in the box?
1 liter is 4.2 cups.
What must I do? And then there's one more step. Once I cross multiply and divide this, I'll have 64 fluid ounces. I put foot ounces. Whoops. Where is my fluid ounces is the same as some number of liters. That's going to be this answer up here. Then I need to compare that to 2 liters. And then of these two, who is greater?
Wait, what are we doing?
Okay, we're cross multiplying and dividing. We're multiplying 8 times 1, then we're dividing by 4.2. Once we do that, I will know how many liters are in 64 fluid ounces. Then I can compare it to this 2 liters of water because they said which is greater, the bottle with the 64 fluid ounces or the bottle with the 2 liters. You're just comparing them, but you have to do some work in order to do the comparison first. Does everybody have this written down? Okay, a shirt is on sale for 40% off. The sale price, that means after I've taken the 40% off, is $12. What was the original price? That means where did it start? What was the amount in dollars of the discount? Hint, if the sweater is 40% off, what percent are you paying? Good. What'd you do?
Make a charge, you add 6.
Wait, what?
Subtract
Subtract what and what?
140.
100% is my original price. I'm taking off 40. What is that called?
Subtract.
Okay, in context of the question, what word do they use there to tell me to subtract?
Subtract.
No. Percent means out of 100.
Original price.
Nope. Original price is what I have already. Discount. Thank you. Y'all need to know what discounts are. When you go shopping, you're going to want to use discounts.
No.
Otherwise, you could pay full price and get your head slapped. I'm trying to prevent that for you. You're welcome.
Thank you.
So, discount is my minus 40. After I take 40% off, what do I get?
60%.
And what is that called in the context of the question? They don't use the words leftover. Nope, I underlined everything that you need to know. No, I didn't write new. They didn't write new. I already have original price. I already have discount.
Sales price.
Sale price. Thank you. What did it sell for? Now, I have all of those things. Which ones do I not know? Do I know what the original price is?
Yes.
Really? What is it?
Oh,
No, I don't know it. So this is a big old question mark. Do I know what the discount is?
Yes.
Really? What is it?
No.
No, the discount is, that's the percent, but in dollars and cents.
Sorry, excuse me. Let me turn off
You move it 2 times to the right.
No. Are they going to take 40 cents off and get $12?
Excuse me, let me turn off.
Excuse you.
Excuse me.
Go ahead.
Amber alert.
Are they taking off 40 cents? No, they're taking off 40 cents for every dollar. Then I end up with 12. Y'all need to understand what they're asking me. This is a percent. This is not a dollar amount. I have to find the dollar amount. What are they taking off of what amount of money to get 12? So, do I know the amount of money they took off? No, I don't even know the original amount. Do I know what they sold it for?
Yes.
Yes, which is what? That's the 12. So I got to find these things. Make a ratio table. If you don't have room, write it in your notebook or somewhere separate. I need my row, I need my dollars, and I need my percents, and I need to be able to explain what's what. So in my ratio table, I can manipulate this $12 because that's the only thing that I know. I know that I have $12 and that is 60% of my original price. That has been given to me. How can I manipulate 60% to make it relative to 140? I don't know what to add yet though. Multiply by what?
Multiply. Okay. Convert 60% to 0.60 and then multiply it by 12.
Okay, then I'm going to be finding 60% of 12. I don't want to do that. What can I do to my 60 to manipulate it in this table so that I can get to 100 and that I can get to 40? You have to think. Multiply it by what? 60 times 10 will give me 600%. Multiplying it by 2 will give me 120%. Okay, now we're thinking. Divide it by what? How much? I can divide it by 12. So if I divide this by 12, I'm going to get 5%. But whatever I do to my percent, I have to do to my dollars. So what's 12 divided by 12? So 1. 5% of my price is $1. What did I do? I took row A and I divided by 12. Now from 5%, can I get to 40? Yes, I can by doing what? Good. Multiply by 8. So 5 times 8 is 40. Whatever I do to my percent, I have to do to my... Good. What's 8 times 1?
8.
What is $8? Have I answered part of the question?
Yes.
8 is 40%, which is the what?
Discount.
Good. This is my discount. I took row B and I multiplied by 5. That's 5B. This is part of my answer. Have I answered the whole question? No. Because I need to know what the original price is. So now I need to get to 100%. How do I get to 100? I've got 5. How do I get from 5 to 100?
Add $8 to $12.
Good. Multiply by 20. So 20B, and then 20 times 1 is 20. This is also part of my answer.
Tomorrow, November 14th, at J.B. Hinsberg Career School.